Right, I think I'm going to set myself a challenge, and I'm going to do 2 tags and a postcard, and I'm going to do the ones that I'm not too keen on. Ooh, let's see. Yep, that one, and oh yeah, I'm gonna do that one. Right, I'm gonna put you back on fast mode while I try and create something out of these. Wish me luck. Right, so I'm starting again from where, because it was getting a bit late last night, and I was tired, so I thought the light's not very good, I'll restart in the morning. So, but before I did that, first off, we was at a point where I was going to do something with these 2 tags and a postcard that I'm not too sure that I didn't like the gel prints, to be honest. I mean, that's okay. Now in the daylight, I can see more. I mean, I've got my box light, but I don't know. I think I need another one to come from the other side, so I've got them both sides. So, but yeah, I mean, you know, texture, but I'm just not sure. Just not sure. So, but before I packed up and stopped crafting, I picked up a tag and started doodling, painting, gessoing, stamping, and I created this, and I love it, and I completely forgot to film it, so I'm gutted. I went into Hobbycraft, which is a local craft store here in the UK, and they had lots of the Project Life by Becky Higgins. All these were on sale, so I brought quite a few of these. They're by American Crafts, and I had some little sentiments. You can see this there. So I cut them out, or I ripped it really, because I wanted a bit of a jagged edge. So I ripped it and used the sentiment, and I actually really love that tag. So I'm pleased that, because that was another background that I wasn't too keen on. So, but anyway, I'm going to stop chatting, and I am going to, oh, my craft room's become a mess again. And this quarantine, it's and this quarantine and my bank balance, it's not good. So I've just purchased a fair few sets of Dina Wakeley's stamps from Art from the Heart, and I don't even feel bad, but I wanted them. It has actually taken me, I mean, I don't feel bad now, but it has taken me about 2 weeks to pluck up the courage to buy them. But then I sat there and I thought, you know, Tone, you keep looking at these stamps, you clearly want them. Stop putting them in and out of your basket and just buy them. So I just brought them. So I'm hoping, I placed an order last week on Friday, and I received it on Thursday, sorry, and I received it on Monday, which is absolutely amazing, especially with the way that the country is at the minute. So I'm hoping that I might receive this on Saturday, as I've ordered it a day earlier. You never know. Fingers crossed. Right, so I'm going to put you on fast mode and put on some music, and I am going to see what I can do with these 3. Wish me luck.